Riboti cia mitino ya mwaki mathukuru-ini ikoretwo ari ndereti ya o muthenya. Thirikari ikiuga ndikunira ritho arutwo aria marekuirwo guthararia mathomo. Kuhitukira ndumiriri kuma kuri Ministry ya Githomo, arutani anene a mathukuru ni makuithitio wigiririki wa gutigirira kuri na ugitiri mathukuru-ini. Riboti ino oho ikiendekithia namba ya arutani aria mariyute kuongererwo niguo makorwo makirora irathi na nyumba cia toro mahinda mothe, arutani anene gukorwo magikara thukuru, arutani gutigirira ni maramenya kuria o mwana ari mahinda mothe. Mishamanio ya bodi gutafanio mbere ya tariki 15 mweri uyu niguo kwaririria ugitiri wa aruto. Riboti o yothe irakuruhania aruto na guthararia ugitiri kwandikithio na ceceni ya borithi, na oho aruto kwamukira mataro mahinda kwa mahinda, arutani makiurio gucaria njira itiganite cia kwaraniria na aruto. Riboti ino oho igikindira miario ya Minister wa Githomo George Magoha muthenya wa ira, akiuga aruto aria manyito magikuruhanio na ciiko cia gucina mathukuru no mohaka makarihira mahitia maya, kuona riboti ciao riu irendekithagio na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI.
Any child who is over 8 years is criminally liable, and we are going to deal very heavily.
No hihi kuringana na watho ni ikinya ririko arutwo aya magitacukirio, kuona aingi mari rungu rwa ukuru wa miaka 18. Wakiri Daston Omare ni aratariria.
Under the penal code where arson falls, there are children below 12 years have no criminal liability unless the court does a test called a voida test to know whether that kid understands the nature of what they did and the sentence that is going to come out of it.
Mashira maria marakuruhania ciana mathitangagwo magoti-ini ngurani na andu agima, na oho ituiro riao no ngurani.
The children are never convicted. You enter a finding of guilt. Once that guilt has been found, a finding has been found, that child will be committed, not sentenced.
Omare agitariria ati ni mugaru na watho ruhonge rwa uthuthuria kuoya irore cia aruto aria mari rungu rwa ukuru wa miaka 18.
They can only keep a data bank without taking the fingerprints, because anything the child is alleged to have done when it was a child is not a criminal record that can be brought to court that this girl, when she was at Nyamira Secondary School, she stole bread from another girl.
Kuringana na urito wa mahitia maria aruto aya mathitangirwo, handu ha kioho kia njera matwaragwo thukuru-ini cia kurunga mitugo kuria mathiaga na mbere na mathomo hamwe na mitaratara ingi ihinda inene muno riria muruto angikara thukuru-ini ici ari miaka 3.
The manager of those children's rehabilitation schools has the power under law to release these children back to do their studies, to join their mothers and fathers, because they assume they are still breastfeeding even when they are 70.
Haduine ha Kameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawaduro.